integral x squared over, this already in factor form, and then you have x minus 4 squared. So the term here has a multiplicity. Okay, so if you have these, the format is this type: x minus 3, x minus 4 equivalent to, first we say a over x minus 3 plus b over, oh I have squared in here, b over x minus 4 plus c over x minus 4 squared. Okay, because you know that in this case your common denominator is still x minus 3 times x minus 4 squared. That's why I need to take this term. If you have a cube here, then you take x minus 4, then x minus 2 squared, then d over x minus 4 to the 3. Make sense? We need to continue with all of them. So x squared will be a times x minus 4 squared. Do you guys understand this? How I'm getting? I'm just multiplying numerator, all the terms by x minus 3 times x minus 4 squared. When you multiply with that, this all eliminates, so just x squared will stay. Now this one is multiplied by x minus 3 times x minus 4 squared. X minus 3 cancels, so x minus 4 squared will stay. From b, when you multiply this one with this whole denominator, you see that x minus 4, one term will cancel, another will stay. And also x minus 3 will stay. Plus c, then this one will be x minus 3. Alright? So you got this stuff. Now we want to figure out what will be my a, b, c unknowns. So first we can say my x is, what should I say? I can take any, but when I take values from here, if possible, that will reduce my work. So then I'm taking x equals 4. This will be 16. You can write equal sign now. This term will eliminate. This will eliminate. This one will stay. So x equals 4, meaning is this is my c. So c is 16. Next I'll say x equals another, say 3. When you say x equals 3, what happens? This one will be, in this side will be 9. And this one, 3 minus 4 is negative 1, square will make it just 1. So you get a. This term will eliminate, this term will eliminate, because x is 3, so they are going to 0. I got a equals 9. Now look at here. I got two choices, x equals 4, x equals 3. But the third is still I need to find b. I don't have any other comfortable values from here. And as we said that I can take any value. So let me take the comfortable one, 0. Yeah, it's not coming from there, but still I can take it. So when you say x equals 0, your left hand side is 0. And this side gives you now 16a. That one is giving you, and it is 0, so 12b. You can figure out this easily, right? And then this one is minus 3c. So now what happens? I have some values known. So from this now you can easily find your b. So I want to save time, because if you multiply 16 times 9 minus 3 times 16 and then simplify, you will get b equals negative 8. Okay, so we got all the values now, a, b, c, all three. Now I'm going back to the integral. So this integral now look like here, when I put integral sign, integral. Now my a is 9, so I can put a 9 here for a. A is 9. Then my b is negative 8. And my c is 16 dx. Is that true? Okay, so now do the integral. Integral very simple now. First of all, this part here is 9 natural log of x minus 3 minus 8 natural log of x minus 4 plus 16 integral x minus 4 to the negative 2 dx, right? This one doesn't go with logarithm because your exponent is other than 1. So then for the last part we can use the power rule. So you get 9 natural log of x minus 3 minus 8 natural log of x minus 4 and then plus 16 x minus 4 to the negative 2 plus 1, so you'll give a negative here and negative plus a constant and you're done. So if you want to do further simplification, you can do just writing the last term will be negative 16 over x minus 4 and we're done for this integral.